Amazon negative feedback can kill your buy box, PPC performance, and account health badly. In this video, I will explain you how to remove negative feedback legally and how to prevent it in future. If you are selling on Amazon FBA or FBM, then negative feedback is unavoidable, but leaving it untreated is not a solution. Please do like and subscribe my channel, more soup, so that I can post these videos. So there are different types of Amazon feedbacks. What are those different types? First of all, there are three types of feedbacks: product feedback, seller feedback, and shipping related feedback, meaning Amazon fault if you are FBA. Only seller feedback impacts your account health, and many of these can be removed. Amazon can remove feedback only if it mentions related delivery caused by Amazon. It talks about FBA shipping issues. It is abusive or violate Amazon guidelines. It mentions product issue instead of seller service. Steps. Go to Seller Central Performance and Feedback. Click Request Removal. Select correct reason. If Amazon won't remove it automatically, contact the buyer professionally. So you can say we are sorry for the experience. Your feedback help us improve. If your issue has been resolved, we kindly request you to consider updating and removing your feedback. Never offer refund for feedback removal, otherwise this will get his store deactivated. Also, I will mention here that do not send him a message like to remove feedback or resolve this problem at first. First, get your options chosen, like use your all options, and then afterwards, this is your last option to send him a message or talk to him. So, how to prevent negative feedback in future? Just use clear product images, accurate descriptions, proactive buyer messages, monitor returns daily, and respond within 24 hours. Never say anything for any product which you cannot prove. Like, for example, this is a tumbler, and here they mention that this is leak proof and spill proof. But this tumbler is not spill proof or leak proof because it spills when you rotate it upside down. It does not has a lock. So this seller has mentioned that this is spill proof and leak proof, and once the customer checked it, it was not leak proof. So he mentioned it in the feedback, and this is very bad. And how to remove your feedback? You go to this feedback manager in your store, and now let's try to remove it. See this says that October 26th order still not shipped. So this is like not our fault. We handed over the product to the FBA and they have not shipped it. Let's try to remove it. There is an option. You see request removal. Let's see. Okay, now so it says that it is not a violation and has been written because now I see that this was an FBA product, FBM product, and we shipped it ourselves. So that's why we handled it late to the USPS center, and that's why Amazon does not track it. Now, if Amazon does not struck your feedback, and if it is real, like this one, the item did not arrive, please refund the purchase price. If this is real and Amazon is not removing it, then you need to create a case with Amazon stating that this feedback is against the policies and you try to remove it, but it did not happen. So they will do it from their end. So this is how you can remove negative feedback. Please do like and subscribe my channel. If you have any issues, you can comment below or you can comment feedback if you need help. And if you want more videos to be made like this, you can also mention comments. Thank you so much. Have a good day.